An Introduction to Refraction by KayScience.com. What I'm drawing here is the boundary between air and water. And this line is the normal. The normal is drawn 90 degrees to the boundary. So this is the water, and this is the air. And this is the normal. So this is a light ray that is being shone at the water from the air. So it's being shone towards the boundary between air and water. So this here is the incident ray. The incident ray is being shone towards the boundary. And the incident ray is what approaches the boundary. And as it crosses from one material into another, the incident ray is going to refract. And this ray that now enters a new material across a boundary is called the refracted ray. And the refracted ray, in this case, bends towards the normal. In other cases, it will bend away from the normal. So this is the incident ray. And the angle between the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. And this is represented by a letter lowercase I. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. And this is the refracted ray, the ray that bends as it crosses a boundary into another material. This is the refracted ray. And the angle between the refracted ray and the normal is called the angle of refraction. The angle of refraction is the angle between the refracted ray and the normal. In this case, the light bent towards the normal. This is because light entered from a less dense material into a more dense material. Air is less dense than water. So the incident ray, when it got to the boundary and it didn't refract without bending, would just continue on in a straight line. However, light doesn't behave like this. Light is going to bend away from the normal or towards the normal. In this case, it's bent towards the normal. This is because the light has traveled from a less dense material, which is air, into a more dense material, which is water. So it's bent towards the normal. So in this case, the angle of refraction is smaller than the angle of incidence. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.